my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I apologize if my camera quality is a little off, but yeah, my main channel camera died, so I'm filming on my vlog camera, but it's honestly better because now I can fit you guys in this little like nook and cranny in like one of our extra rooms, and I feel like it's so Christmassy in here anyway. I love the white brick background. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a bunch of Christmas stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Target. Those of you who know me know I'm absolutely obsessed with Christmas, so if you guys want to see some really cute Christmas finds that are super affordable, because you know me, I'm all about affordable, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all, and let's get into the holiday spirit. Alright, so first things first, I'll start off with Target because I got the least amount of stuff from Target. I have to shout out these candles, you guys. These candles right here are the best smelling Christmas candles. This one was only $5. This one was only like $6 or $7. Oh my gosh, they smell so good, and they smell even better lit together. The white spruce is like that piney scent, but it's still warm and cozy. Sometimes I find the pine scents are way too like piney, if that makes sense. But this one still feels very fresh, warm, and Christmassy. And then Christmas Velvet is just like the most cozy Christmas scent ever. Have a very strong scent, even unlit, you can smell them. And together, it's just Christmas and a candle. And then also from Target, I got two of these little mini cute Christmas trees. This was in like the dollar section at Target, and I just thought that they were so cute. I want to put these on my dining table. So I got two of them to put on my dining table. I want to have two there, and then I want to put like one of these gold things that I got years ago in the center. These are from Old Time Pottery, but I figured that those would look just so cute together. I actually might leave one here just for the aesthetic of this video. But yeah, isn't that cute? Yeah, they're just so cute, and they were only $3. That was it. Oh yeah, and then also from Target, I got these cute little gold pine cone ornaments. These were $3 as well, but I thought they were so cute. They have like gold sparkles all over them. I know they'll probably drive me crazy because the sparkle is gonna get everywhere, but hey, it is what it is. And I was thinking about putting them on the Christmas trees, or I might just use these on my Christmas tree because I feel like these are so simple and cute that I don't really need to add much, especially if I use it with the gold Christmas cones. So moving on to Walmart, I literally blacked out. Like, I'm not even kidding. I like completely blacked out in the Christmas section. They had so much cute stuff for such an affordable price. You guys, do not sleep on the Walmart Christmas decorations. Oh, I got some of the cutest ornaments. So where to start? I'm gonna start with the Christmas wreath. So first I got this flocked. It's a 24-inch Christmas wreath. It has the pine cones all on it. I just think it's so pretty and fluffy, and I got this to put on the front door. This was only $10.98. This beautiful wreath, and I got a big bow to add to it so that way it dangles in the front. I might even add some like extra berries and stuff throughout it, but I just thought it was such a cute wreath. So I also got these super affordable wreaths. These are like super shiny. They're not like the most aesthetic, and I got these to put on like the two main windows on the second floor of my house, but on the outside. So they look like this. And I got large Christmas bows to put on these too, and I just thought that these would look so cute on like the two main windows on my house for like outside decor. I didn't want to get a really nice wreath because I knew that outside they're gonna get messed up anyway, one, and then two, you're only gonna really be seeing them from afar, so I knew that they didn't have to be the most intricate, beautiful Christmas wreaths. So for less than $5, I thought that this was such a steal. All right, and then also from Walmart, I wanted to share with you guys all of the cute ornaments that I got. There's like the flock from the wreath all over them, but they're just these cute gold ornaments with like white detailing on them. They're glass ornaments too, so they'll look so nice and shiny. And it was a pack of 4 for, again, $4.98. That was so cute and such a steal for such like intricate, pretty ornaments. My goal for my Christmas tree this year was to have something like more elegant but still super traditional with the red, gold, a little bit of green, but I just wanted it to be more like, I don't know, a little more classy, but again, traditional always. Like, I cannot do silver and blues, like it has to be true Christmas colors. Then I also got these really cute big red ones. And I just really like the texture on it. This year I really wanted to mix up the texture, the size and all that on my Christmas tree. And this was 4 big glass ornaments for only $6.78. But I just thought that they were absolutely stunning and so pretty. They just look like they'd be super expensive ornaments, but they were so affordable. This was a set of 8 glass ornaments for only $3.98, and they're just clear glass ornaments. I wanted something super simple and sleek to just kind of like be mixed throughout with like the more fun, intricate ones. I thought it would be like a really pretty balance. These are also really pretty if you wanted to like create your own design for an ornament. These are really fun to paint. You can add things inside of them. I got these really huge glass ones for $6.78, but these ones had like the pine cone and like leaves and stuff coming out of them with the berry. I just thought that they were so cute. But again, I liked how they were just like the clear glass ornaments, but with like this fun, cute design. A little rustic. It would still kind of like balance out with my other ornaments though. Gorgeous Christmas ornaments I've ever seen in my entire life. And they're these stunning beige. They almost kind of have like a vintage vibe to them. Matte, but with gold sheen throughout it. These ornaments are absolutely stunning. And I love the size of them too. I love again how there's different textures throughout because like I said, this year for my Christmas tree, I wanted to balance out textures, tones. I wanted some that were very fun, some that were more like serious and just elegant. These are it. My favorite is this one here. It kind of looks like a chunky knit sweater, but with the gold throughout it. And this was a pack of 8 for $8.98, which I think is a steal for how pretty and intricate each ornament is. So I thought they would look so cute with my other ones, like up against the red. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait to put up my Christmas tree. And then I got these really pretty big gold ones. This was a pack of 4 for $6.78, but they're just so stunning. They're nice and glittery. They have a little pine cone detailing on it. And I just thought that these would look so cute up against the other ornaments that I picked up. So I'm living. So those were all of the ornaments that I got, plus I have some more ornaments left over from previous years. Then also from Walmart, I picked up this really pretty fa la la. It's like a Christmas wreath hanger thingy to put on my front door. And the reason I got fa la la is because that's what my niece calls Christmas. So I immediately thought of her and I had to have it. This is only $3.98 and I just think it's so pretty. Again, I love anything with gold detailing on it. So I figured this would go on the front door with my locked Christmas wreath. See, look how I think I want to get some more of these though, just to like hang throughout the house on the doors. It's just so pretty, and for under $4, this is such a steal. I have a bunch of evergreen trees in my backyard, and like the branches fall, or I can trim the branches, and I want to make my own Christmas wreath and Christmas garland. So I figured this would be perfect for that. It's just like kind of like a burlap, but then it also has some like design to it and some shimmery red berries on it. So I thought this would look pretty if I made a garland, or it would just look really cute along my Christmas tree. So I'm so excited to play with this. Also, whenever I do end up attempting to make my Christmas wreath and garland, I definitely want to film the process because I haven't been able to find the perfect garland to go down my staircase. I want something super fluffy, dramatic, but cozy. So I either will make my own from scratch, or I'm gonna take a garland that I have and just add to it with some of the branches from my evergreen trees and then some other branches that I actually picked up from Walmart and Dollar Tree, which I'm gonna show you right now. So like, for example, I got some little pieces like this. Walmart had a whole section of like greenery, berries, and little things like this that you could add to your Christmas tree or add to your garland to kind of customize it, or add to a Christmas wreath to customize it. These were all only 98 cents. Literally, I could add these to like my plain Christmas wreath and just give it some more of a pop, or I can add it to a garland that I have. Got a couple of the berry ones with the pine cones because I knew I want that on my Christmas wreath. These, it kind of has like these white little puffs and the little pine cone. Got a bunch of these because they just look so modern, and I thought this would look so pretty like dangling from any garland or Christmas wreath that I made. They're just so cute. They have a very modern vibe to them that I think would be a good balance to add to any garland that I get or make. And again, these were all 98 cents each. more of the berry and pine cone one. I could also just make like a cute floral centerpiece with this. I could add it to some of the greenery that I already have. And then these were two, they have the flocking all over them, but these were two of the large, just like basic velvet bows that I got to add to these wreaths for when I hang them up outside on my windows. Look how cute that's gonna look. I wanted them big enough to where they'd be seen while you're driving by, and these were only $2.98. So I kind of want to pick up some more just to have to add to garlands and things like that. They're nothing special, super simple, but I just love a traditional velvety red bow. Oh, I also got some command hooks for my mantle, so that way I could hang a garland along there. I could also use it maybe for my staircase or also for just like hanging some of the wreaths around the house. So that was all the stuff from Walmart. So now I'm gonna move on to some of the stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. You guys, do not sleep on Dollar Tree Christmas decorations. They had gorgeous Christmas glassware, gorgeous Christmas floral pieces and things like that. So definitely check them out. I definitely want to do a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs for Christmas. Mainly from Dollar Tree, I just got more greenery, but then I also got this like Christmas wreath maker for only $1. And I got this so that way, again, I could add the leaves from my evergreen tree around this and just kind of like make my own Christmas wreath. I want to play with it. I only got one for now to see how it comes out, and then if it comes out good, I definitely want to make a lot more for around the house. And this is all the greenery that I got. Pretty just like this, but oh my gosh, that would have made a beautiful wedding bouquet. Look how pretty that is. So let me break down the pieces that I got just so you guys can see what they have. I got these really pretty gold little spiky things, which I figured would look really pretty throughout the garland or again a Christmas wreath, but mainly I'm thinking the garland on my mantle of my fireplace. They are so beautiful and elegant. They would also just look pretty in like a glass vase for Christmas. And boom, you got like a Christmas floral centerpiece. So cute. Both $1 each, of course. And I got a bunch of these little Christmas berry things again for when I make my garland, or if I just want to add these throughout a garland that I already had. I thought that these would be perfect. I got some white, I got some reds. And basically what I would do is just cut these up and just add them in through garlands or wreaths and stuff that I already have. I got some poinsettias, because what is Christmas without some poinsettias? So these were just like basic ones with gold little center parts and the little berries throughout. I'll probably again cut these up and mix them out throughout garlands that I own or add them to the garland that I'm gonna make. This one had a little pine cones throughout it. And this was just like another little berry pine cone combination that again I got to add throughout some greenery that I already have, or I can honestly make my own floral centerpiece with these. I thought that they were so pretty and cute. And then I got these really pretty burgundy red poinsettias again to make my own centerpiece. Or when I make that Christmas garland, I'm so ready to make that garland. Like, I've been looking up videos, I am prepared. And I forgot to mention, this was the floral wire that I got from Walmart. I want to say it was like $3 or $4. This is what I'm going to use to wrap around the greenery that I collect in my backyard, along with like the floral pieces. Kind of wrap them all together, and then I'm thinking what I'm going to do is tie it along a rope with this wire. We'll see though. And yeah, that wraps it up for all of the Christmas decor that I picked up. Stay tuned for more videos because this is only the beginning. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Christmas, and I'll definitely be picking up some more Christmas decorations here and there. So if you guys are interested in seeing more Christmas decor, Christmas haul videos, then definitely consider subscribing. This is my favorite time of year ever. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys were inspired to go to your local Walmart or Dollar Tree and just find some super cute, affordable Christmas decorations. You don't always have to break the bank to make your house look so elegant, but Christmassy and festive. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe. I pray that you all have a very happy holiday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.